Hello everybody, how you? I hope you guys are fine. Today I'm trying this viral Korean rice face mask with 200 ml of water and 1/3 cup of rice. You can use any kind of rice. Boil it until it's 80% cooked or just by checking whether it's 80% cooked or not. You should not cook it 100%, okay? So it looks something like this after it's cooked 80%, and you need to add some water in order to avoid stickiness and blend it. After blending it, it looks something like this. You can use and put in a container the leftover up to 7 days on a fridge. Here I am applying over my face and neck. Take your time and apply it smoothly. Well, this Korean face rice mask has many benefits. You can Google it around. I personally liked it because it helped me to brighten my skin and spotless. It helps to detan you or clear up the spots too. So I'm trying using it thrice a week. It has totally dried off after 20 minutes. My skin looks something like this, cracked. Wanted to peel it off, couldn't open my mouth too. After fully dried over your face and hand, we need to wash it off and wait for the result. Looks something like this.
Wow.
And this is how I look. My skin looks after washing it. It looks really smooth, soft, and brighten, detan, and helps to clear up my spots too. I personally and honestly would like you to recommend it. I personally liked it and try thrice a week. So please, guys, like, share, subscribe, and comment me down below how you feel on over your skin. See you on next video. Bye bye.